This is exactly how I was able to fix that I was not able to join my friends in Escape the Backrooms. Well, there's going to be a couple of ways to fix it. If you're, for example, playing it right now on your console, so your PlayStation or Xbox, I know for a fact that on PlayStation, if you want to be able to play with your friends, you need to have the PlayStation Plus subscription, just so you know, otherwise it will not work. And I believe it's something similar to the Xbox as well, but you have to double check to be completely sure, of course. I believe they have their own thing to be able to play online that you have to get. Not completely sure, but double check, of course. On PC, it's gonna be pretty easy. And on both your console and PC, make sure that you're also connected to internet. If you're not, it's not gonna work, of course. So I'm just gonna show you. If I create a game here, you can see here I can have max allowed players here. And if I click on story mode, I'm gonna show you exactly how it's gonna look when your friends create a server here. So you can see in the top right, there's going to be a lobby invite code. This is the code that your friends need to give to you, or they can invite you by clicking on invite here, as you can see, and then they can just select you and invite you here right away. Otherwise, just they have to give you this code here, and once they have gifted you that code, you can just go into join game here and then click on enter with room code. And then that code needs to go in here, and then you're just gonna click on join, as you can see. And hopefully now you will be able to fix that you're not able to join friends on the Escape the Backrooms game.